Hey guys, it's me, the Game Artist here, and today we're going to be doing something different from our typical magic card game motif. We're going to be unboxing a Yu-Gi-Oh product, the Cyberse Link Structure deck. There's crazy-haired, I forgot his name. So let's get this open and hope my traditional bad luck of opening boxes does not occur. Oh wait, I forgot to read the back of the box. I don't know why I want to read these, but they're kind of interesting because of bad puns. The Cyberse bring dueling technology, terrible grammar, into a new era. Take advantage of their high-speed network capabilities as they help summon each other onto the field so you can abuse their digital synergies. Once you have gotten the most out of their processing powers, use them to help you compute the necessary data to link summon 3 new all-foil link monsters. There's the playmat and whatnot, that stuff. Then an ad for Duel Links. Really fun for Yu-Gi-Oh fans. So in this you get a really well decorated playmat, I must say. There's the new Link / Extra Monster Zone, because Extra Deck was getting too powerful, so they decided to balance it out by making limits on it. Okay, now let's get into the actual cards. My dad's grabbing something in the background, so that's why there's that cardboard noise. I got it. Duel Links ad! No cutting off my hand. First card up is Encode Talker. It has a link of 3 and attack of 2300. Oh wait, and also there's a player's guide in there that tells you how things work. Whatever. Keep going, Dad. Encode Talker. It says 2 or more Cyberse monsters. Once per turn before damage calculation, if your monster this card points to, hence the arrows. It also tells you where you can place extra deck monsters. Cards points to two battles an opponent's monster with higher attack. You can make that monster unable to be destroyed by battle, so you no longer take battle damage from that battle. After the you take no battle damage from that battle. After damage calculation, you have this card or one monster it points to gain attack equal to the attack of the battle opponent's monster until the end of this turn. Then there's Tri-Gate Wizard. 2+ monsters excluding tokens. It has this card gains effect based on the number of monsters co-linked to this card. 1 co-linked monster. If a monster co-linked to this card battles your opponent's monster, any battle damage it inflicts to your opponent is doubled. Wow, that's pretty powerful. 2, once per turn you can target 1 card on the field, banish it. Whoa, even more powerful. 3, once per turn when a card or effect is activated, and this is a quick effect, you can negate the activation, and if you do, banish that card. Dual Assemblyum. If this card is in your hand or graveyard, you can banish up to 2 other Cyberse monsters from your hand. Okay, it's a bit wordy. Dual Assembworm. Signet Backdoor. Binary Sorceress. Digitron as a normal monster in the deck. Level 2 with 1500, not too bad. Dotscaper. It's a level 1 with 2100 defense, not too bad either. Client.